a Shansuking designer diner, coming to you from Hood Park. Have you ever seen Hood milk in your local grocery store refrigerator? Well, it's very popular here in New England. I'm standing in Charlestown, an area of Boston, Massachusetts. This is where it all started. You can see behind me the smokestack where the milk was actually made. And this park is just a smaller piece of the development where there's mixed use, commercial, residential, and also some office space. So come take a look with me and see what this park has to offer. Let's go. Charlestown is actually an area of Boston where it has the least open space per resident per capita. So this park definitely plays a huge role into improving that number and providing more green space for people that live here. These guardrails are so interesting. You see this example, this wire mesh on the High Line. You see it in the little island. A lot of the newer modern landscape architecture projects use this to give it that modern flair. There are so many of these poplar trees that are planted in this small space. You know why? That's because these trees are great for soil remediation, to heal the soil, since this site was an industrial area. As we come up to the actual roof structure above the bike service area, they have this green roof with sweeping alliums and a mix perennials. A lot of these, serve as a great way to cool down the architecture, cool down the roof. So it's a great way to, combat the heat island effect. The seating up here is a great space to put it because you can kind of see everything from the whole development, the new, the old, and everything else in between. Notice another sustainable feature on the site. At the bottom of this sloping green, there is a rain garden that stretches through the whole length of this park. So you can see here a lot of these, moisture, water tolerant plantings. And within the paving, there are these drainage for the water to flow through and get into these planting beds. So this is the north-facing side of the park, the site. You can see the landscape architect put in a lot of care by the plant selection, because you see some ferns, you see some of the more shade-tolerant plantings, and these are going to thrive. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I appreciate you joining me on these landscape architectural trip, being able to put in my perspective at these beautiful parks. So don't forget to join me on my next episode. Thanks.